Hello, I am Siddesh Jadhav. I am a senior FAE in Luna Technologies and Private Limited. So this is an 80 kg robot. We actually manufacture robot and also we sales laser cutting and laser head. We also give a laser cutting solutions and laser welding solutions for the end customers and also for the business users. So this is an 80 kg payload robot. We also we have a manufacturing unit in Pune Chakar. So so we manufacture the robots and also we import some robots from Taiwan. This is our own brand Yasaka, and this is a laser cutting head where you can use this for 3D cutting and also you can use the same robot for laser welding also. So we have various type of laser cutting and laser welding head. Like we have a mobile head also for different patterns. So this laser head is like 1 kilowatt. We have a different laser head up to 3 kilowatt laser head, and also we have a 3 kilowatt laser source as well. Okay, thank you.